Alrighty guys, this is the second video tutorial for the Steady Hand game. In this tutorial we're going to make some additional shapes in here so we can have spaces for the buzzer, LED, and some wires and whatnot. So let's double click on sketch 1 and we're going to work over here. This is going to be our front panel. So we want to make a hole for our LED, and we also want to make a hole for our buzzer. Now, from memory, I'm remembering that our LED is 5 millimeters in diameter. So, whoa, oopsie-doozles. So over here, what we're going to do is we are going to mention this 5 millimeters in diameter. And for our buzzer, we want to make a hole 12 millimeters in diameter. Let's make a straight line. That's not very straight. Let's take this and tell it to be straight. Boom. And let's make this the distance from here to here. Well, you know what? I'm feeling like 15 is a good number there. 15 is a good number because it's leaving a good amount of meat here on the wood so that it's not going to break through. Now the next thing we're going to do is let's put a center point there. Let's define the center point, and then let's define the length of this line here. Let's define this as 25. Now we're going to put a point up here in the center, the midpoint of there, and we're going to tell both of these guys to line up. So, oh, that didn't work too well, did it now? Let's take this and let's lock it in place. That's now fixed, and let's take these and let's lock these vertically in place, constrain them. Cool. Now both of those are black, so they are fully defined. Sweet. So the hole on the left hand side is going to be for our speaker or buzzer, and the hole on the right hand side is going to be for our LED. So that's going to be on the front. On the side of our box, we do need a hole for our wire to come out and also a bolt to secure the wire frame. So let's start off again by putting a point here in the center. Let's take that point and let's fix it in place. And now let's make a construction line down. There we go. So we want 2 holes. The size of these holes are both going to be 3 millimeters in diameter. Okay, and now let's have a look. What distance should we have up there? You know what? I'm feeling like 6 millimeters is a good distance. And in between them, 6 millimeters again, that's a good distance. And what I mean by a good distance is there's enough material here so it's not going to break, and there's enough material here it's not going to break. And also we're trying to keep these high so that when our wire comes up we can attach it there, and then when our metal path wire comes down here, it's also not coming down too far. Okay, that looks good. So we have a place for our wires, we have a place for our speaker and our LED, and our Arduino board is going to sit in here. Looks good, guys. Okay, give that a go. Let me know if you have any issues. Best of luck.